Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to make money on YouTube. I will use a book summary video as an example. With over 800,000 views, this simple video has the potential to make $4,000 if each 1,000 views earns $5. By using GPT, we can quickly summarize popular books and make videos on them. We can also use Amazon to find popular books and sort them by 4-star ratings, and up to ensure we only summarize good books. To sort the books on Amazon by 4-star ratings and up, follow these steps and sign into your account. In the search bar, type the name of a book you're interested in reviewing or a keyword related to the type of books you want to review. On the search results page, use the sort by option to select average customer review. From the drop-down menu, select 4 stars up. This will display all books that have received a minimum of 4-star ratings. By sorting the books by 4-star ratings and up, you can be sure that you're reviewing books that have been well received by a large number of readers. This will help increase the chances of your video attracting viewers and potentially earning commissions through the Amazon affiliate program. Once you've selected a book, use GPT to summarize its contents. This will give you an overview of the book's plot, characters, and themes, which you can use to create a video script. To utilize GPT to summarize a book, you can start by typing or copying the book's title and author into a text input field on a website. After you've entered the information, the GPT model will generate a summary of the book based on its contents. It's important to note that GPT models are trained on large amounts of text data, which allows them to understand the context and generate relevant summaries. However, the quality of the summary may vary, so you may need to make some tweaks and edit the summary to better fit your needs. You can use the generated summary as a starting point for your video script. Take note of the main plot points, characters, and themes, and think about how you can present these elements in an engaging and entertaining way for your audience. The more you personalize the summary, the more unique and interesting your video will be, which can help you stand out from other content creators and attract more viewers. Next, use a video script generator tool like Pictory AI to create a script based on the GPT summary. This tool will help you organize the information and turn it into a compelling narrative that your audience will enjoy. The tool will generate a script that highlights the most important elements of the story. To use Pictory AI, follow these steps. Input the GPT summary into the tool. Review the generated script and make any necessary changes to ensure it accurately represents the book and is engaging for your audience. Refine the script by adding any additional information or insights about the book that you think will be of interest to your audience. By using a video script generator tool, you can save time and effort compared to writing a script from scratch. You can then add a voiceover to the script and make any necessary changes to make it more engaging. To add a voiceover to the script, you can use an AI-powered voiceover tool like PlayHT. These tools use advanced technology to generate human-like voices that can be customized to fit your specific needs. To use the tool, simply copy and paste the script into the tool's text box and select the voice you want to use. You can also adjust the speed, tone, and other parameters of the voice to suit your needs. Once you have generated the voiceover, you can listen to it and make any changes that you think are necessary. For example, you might want to change the emphasis on certain words or add pauses in specific places. You can make these changes directly in the tool so you can get the voiceover just right. In addition to the voiceover, you can use the video script generator tool to make these changes as well. To make your video even more visually appealing, use the tool to find related videos to use as background footage. To do this, simply search for keywords related to the book, such as the author's name, the book's themes, or the book's setting. The tool should then generate a list of relevant videos that you can use in your own video. It's important to choose high-quality footage that is both relevant and visually appealing. You want the background footage to enhance the overall look and feel of your video, not detract from it. Consider the lighting, color, and overall aesthetic of the footage, and choose footage that complements the tone and style of your voiceover. To finish up your video review, it's important to include a link to the book in the YouTube description box. This will allow you to take advantage of the Amazon affiliate program and earn commissions every time someone clicks on the link and purchases the book. To do this, simply copy the link to the book's page on Amazon and paste it into the description box. You'll also want to include a brief description of the book and why you recommend it to encourage people to click on the link. Make sure the link is easily visible and prominent in the description box so that people won't miss it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create high-quality video reviews that your audience will love, and that can help you earn money through the Amazon affiliate program. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found this tutorial on how to make money using GPT and YouTube useful. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was informative and helpful. Leave a comment below to let us know what you think and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next one.